Hey there, this is Nick at DuraLabel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to load your DuraLabel Kodiak Max industrial sign label print system. First, we're going to load your premium vinyl supply. A quick note that premium vinyl supply and premium ribbon cartridges are sold separately. However, depending on your kit or bundle, you may have premium vinyl and ribbon cartridges included. So be sure to check your packing list for the exact contents of your order. So in this box, I've grabbed our DuraLabel white premium vinyl supply. We're going to open that up. And you'll see a couple tabs on your roll, so we're going to take those off. And now we're going to load our premium white vinyl. You're going to want to make sure when you're loading this into the supply well area right here that the DuraLabel sticker is facing on the outside of where the lid is open. We're going to remove the QA prints that are inside your print system when you get it. So we're going to put our premium vinyl into the supply well area, extend this from the 4 inches to the 10-inch range of width for the supply. And then we're going to put this right into the supply well area, unlatch your feed roller bar, and then after, make sure to feed the premium vinyl supply past the yellow sticker right after the tape guides. And now we're going to put back down the feed roller bar and secure the latch. Since we're not going to be doing a single color print, we'll remove the blank ribbon cartridge from print head 1. We're going to lift this up, wait until it clicks, pull that off, and we're going to move this over to the side. First, we're going to take our premium red quick load ribbon cartridge from the bottom. We're going to open up the top, and you're going to remove your ribbon cartridge from the box. You're going to want to make sure to check your ribbon orientation when you take it out, and make sure that your ribbon cartridge sticker is facing towards the open lid side of the print system. So since we already removed our blank ribbon cartridge earlier, you're going to want to securely put this on print head number 1. Make sure that it is fit all the way, and then you're going to slowly lift back until you hear a click and gently lower it down. And then we're going to secure the latch. And now with our premium red ribbon cartridge on print head 1, we're going to open up our premium black ribbon cartridge box. We're going to open this from the top again. And with this being a new ribbon cartridge, we're going to just make sure to remove the cardboard that is in between. And then you're going to remove the other piece of cardboard. And as we said before, make sure the orientation of the ribbon cartridge has the sticker facing towards the open side of the print system. So we're going to undo the latch for print head 2, lift up until you hear a click. We're going to put on the premium black ribbon till it's secure. Then we're going to lift up again till you hear a click, slowly let down, and then we're going to secure the latch for print head 2. And now you have your Kodiak Max print system loaded with premium vinyl and 2-color quick load ribbon cartridges. For 2-color printing, Kodiak Max supports bold industrial color options like black, white, orange, blue, red, yellow, and green. Just a quick tip before moving on. If you're only printing a 1-color sign, make sure that you have your blank ribbon cartridge inserted and secured on print head number 1. And that's it. Your Kodiak Max is loaded and ready to print. Connect it to your wireless network or PC, and you're ready to start creating signs and labels within seconds using LabelForge PRO, DuraLabel's free and easy to use sign label design software. If you have any more questions about your Kodiak Max, please refer to the user guide, visit our tutorials on the product knowledge base, or take advantage of your free lifetime support by contacting a DuraLabel support specialist at DuraLabel.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.